welcome to Uvie art. I'm back again with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I made this art. It's an African mask I designed. I'll be doing a giveaway for this art. I'm going to frame it and send it to one lucky winner. Like, subscribe and share, and also comment on this video, my YouTube channel and my Instagram. One lucky person is going to get a framed art of this. I'm going to send it to you. I'll be coming out with my first audio track ever, my original audio track, very soon, and I want you guys to show me some love. Let's get straight into this video. So today we're going to be doing this African mask. First thing first, you have to prep your work. Lay out your design, decide what you want to lay down. I used pencil here to lay out my design, and now I'm tracing everything out with a pen. And I use different sizes of pen in this creation. You see me here drawing out what I already laid out. I didn't lay out everything completely. I just have an idea of what I want to do and I'm drawing it. It's so easy. Most of what I did was lines and circles. Once you can do that, which I'm sure we all know how to do, draw out lines and circles and triangles. Just be creative. I promise you, this is so easy. Once you start doodling, it will be very easy for you to do as time goes on. This is something that's meant to be relaxing for you. This drawing can look complicated at the end, but when you're watching the process, as you're seeing everything I'm doing, it's easy to create. I'm sure anyone can create this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel, and don't forget that I'm going to be doing a giveaway. The finished work of this African art, I'm going to frame it and give it to one lucky winner. All you have to do is comment on this video, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it to your friends, send me a DM that you've shared it, follow me on Instagram, like my Instagram videos, and share it as well. It's that easy, and one lucky winner is going to get a framed art of this African mask. So let me let you watch this. Oh, before that, my new original audio track will be coming out soon, probably this week, and I'm going to post it on my Instagram, my personal Instagram at Uvie World. Guys, follow me there, show me some love, show your support, and I will be so happy. Okay, let me let you watch this video, enjoy my creation, and I hope to see your creation too. If you try to recreate this or any other African art, send me a picture. I would like to see it. Alright guys, take care.